Today we discuss about 15 management colleges in the world on the basic of ranking. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell button so we can get updates earliest. Guys, also you can like and share this video so we can go ahead. So number 15, UCLA. UCLA location 110 Westwood Plaza, Los Angeles, CA 90095 USA. Ranking overall 6, regional 6. Founding year 1935. MBA seats available 360. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fee $70,368. UCLA Anderson is the leading business school in Los Angeles and it has excellent placement in the LA office of MC Kinsey, BCG and Brain as well. Top investment banks. The LA location also has an advantage if you are considering a career in tech post MBA. Number 14, Oxford University. Oxford University located in Park End ST, Oxford, OX1, 1 HP, UK. Rank overall 14, regional 14. Founded year 1096. MBA seats 300. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fees 78,500 USD. Oxford says the business school of the University of Oxford is one of the UK's oldest and most prestigious university in the bastion of British excellence, has maintained the 20th rank slot for the past 2 years is Blooming Business Week, European MBA ranking and the Financial Times rank number 13. EastSide Business. EastSide Business School located in AV.DE Petrol Base 6062 08034 Barcelona, Spain. Ranking overall 16, regional 5. Founded year 1958. MBA seats available 550. Entrance exam GRE or GMAT. Tuition fees 34,500 euro. EastSide is a prestigious international private education institute based in Barcelona, Spain. EastSide runs 2 schools of the university, EastSide Business School and EastSide Law School, as well as a language center, the EastSide Executive Language Center. Number 20, Chicago Booth. Located in Chicago, IL, United Kingdom. Rank Forbes 1, US News and World Report 3. Founding year 1898. MBA seats 420. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fee $74,919. As one of the most prestigious institutions in the world, Chicago Booth does not make it easy to get admitted. The school wants to only take in the best students available, meaning only a selected few of thousands of applications are accepted into their programs each year. Number 11. UC Berkeley, Haas. Located Berkeley, United States. Rank QS Global MBA 7, ARWU World University 11. Founding year 1868. MBA seats available 500. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fee $65,360. Berkeley Haas is one of the world's leading prestigious of new ideas and knowledge in all areas of business, which includes the distinction of having two of its faculty members receive the Nobel Prize in Economics. Founded 1868 with a gift by Cora Jane. Employed Berkeley Haas is the second oldest business school in the US. Number 10. IES Business School. Located in Barcelona, Spain. Ranking overall 10 and regional 2. Founding year 1958. Seat available 350. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fees €93,500. You need to know several things as a candidate and potential IESE students to approach your application in the best way possible. The admission rate for the MBA program is 26%, which is not too bad considering the institution's prestige. The average GMAT score is 681, with 800 being the highest score possible. Number 9. Columbia Business School. Columbia Business School located in New York, United States. Ranking QS Global MBA 11 and US News and World Report 7. Founding year 1916. MBA seats 50. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fees $77,376. Columbia Business School was founded in 1960, thanks in part to a generous gift from banking executive Emerson M. Millin, 11 SLT. Member the inaugural class of 61 students, which includes 8 women over the past 100 years. The school has evolved alongside the ever-changing world of business. Number 8. INSEAD. Located in Paris, Singapore, France. QS Global Ranking 6 and ARWU World University 8. Founding year 1957. MBA seat 1000. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fee €53,500. INSEAD has been highly ranked by QS subject ranking for being one of the top destinations for pursuing business courses. The institution has been ranked 6th for 2 years, 2019 and 2021, for pursuing a global MBA and ranked 3rd in 2021. Number 7. IE Business School. IE Business School located in Madrid, Spain. Ranking QS Global MBA 7, ARWU World University 3. Founding year 1973. MBA seats 667. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fees 72,200 euro. IE Business School's flagship international MBA program holds the 7th position globally and position Europe. In the latest edition of the QS World University Ranking Global Full-Time MBA 2022, which ranks the world premier full the business program for aspiring future business leader. Number 6. London School, London Business. London Business School, located in London, United Kingdom, ranking QS Global MBA for ARWE World University 6. Founding year 1964, MBA seat 2305. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fees 97,500 euro. Consistently ranked among the world's best for the quality MSc, MBA and EMBA program, London Business School came 5th in the QS Global EMBA ranking 2020 on account of the reputation for leadership, research initiatives and employable graduate. Number 5. MIT Sloan MIT Sloan MBA, located in Cambridge, MA, United States, rank QS Global MBA 5 and ARWE World University, NA. Founding year 1914, MBA seats available 350. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fees $235,996. The MIT Sloan School of Management is not only one of the most comprehensive MBA programs, but it has also produced some of the most successful business school graduates in the country. Fortune ranks MIT as having the number 8 full-time MBA program in the US. Number 4. HES Paris. HES Paris, located in Juilly en Jesses, France, ranked QS Global MBA 2 ARWE World University, NA. Founding year 1881, MBA seats 295. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fees 76,000 euros. The HEC Paris MBA was ranked the 4th best in Europe by the FT in 2021. Its EMBA ranked number 1 in Europe and its MIM degree ranked 2nd. HEC Paris ranked 2nd and 4th respectively in Europe for its open and custom executive education program in 2020. Number 3. The Wharton School. The Wharton School, located in Philadelphia, PA, United States, ranking overall to ARWE World University 4. Founding year 1881, MBA seats 840. Entrance exam GMAT or GRE. Tuition fees 76,000. Founding in 1881 as the first collegiate business school, the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania is recognized globally for intellectual leadership and ongoing innovation across every major discipline of business education, with both global community and one of the most published business school facility. Wharton creates economic and social value around the world The school has 5,000 graduates, MBA executive, MBA and doctoral students, more than 9,000 participants in executive education program annually, and a powerful alumni network of 94,000 graduates. Number 2. Harvard Business School, located in Boston, MA 02163 USA, ranking overall 3 and ARW World University 5. Founding year 1908. MBA seats available 400. Entrance exam GRE and GMAT. Tuition fees $73,440. Harvard Business School is the graduate business school of Harvard University in Boston. It is consistently ranked among the top business schools in the world and offers a large full-time MBA program, management-related doctoral program, and many executive education programs. Number 1. Stanford Graduate School of Business. I hope guys enjoying this video, and also this channel, subscribe and hit the bell button. I hope guys you are doing well and save you and your family also. Kindly guys like and share this video so I can get easily your response, so we can meet upcoming videos as soon as possible. Thank you.